All right, hello everybody. My name's Kenny. Welcome back to another oil change tutorial entertainment video or something. I'm not sure what I'm doing here. We got an oil filter for this 3UZFE 2006 GS430. This is the V8 here. If you're not familiar with the nomenclature, we're going to use an oil wrench to take off the old oil filter. Got a 14mm ratchet to remove the drain plug from the oil pan, a rag for cleaning up messes, to remove the underbelly shield surrounding the oil filter and whatever. 10mm on this electric ratchet here. You can use a hand ratchet, obviously. And our drain pan. So, oh yeah, I forgot. This thing uses 5W30 dinosaur juice. I'm going to use some synthetic dinosaur juice, and that's just what I prefer. I don't know if there is a synthetic requirement. I'll check your owner's manual, obviously, but I prefer synthetic. So, synthetic dinosaur juice, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a good time to remind yourselves to use precaution when working under the vehicle, and make sure you properly lift up your vehicle, whether using ramps or a jack of some sort, because you don't want to hurt yourself here. But here we go, 10mm, and we got a, like I said, 6 or 7 of these screws here to get out of the way to get access to the oil filter. There's the other ones. Lickety split, comes out real easy. Stay with me here, folks. One left. Oops. Oh, man. Don't let it hit your face. That's why we wear the glasses. Dust, debris, other crap. You don't want it in your eyes. You don't. Okay, so here you can see the oil pan underneath the engine. Don't go too far back and mistake it for the transmission. You don't want to do that. This is where we take our 14mm wrench. Again, if you have a big enough oil pan, you can probably do both at the same time. I do not. So here we are. This is nice and warm still when I drove it home. Yeah, all right. My rag, rinse off that, dry it off. We're gonna let that drain for y'all. And then we'll move on to the next phase. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna move on to the oil filter, but first, we're gonna clean that up and then reinstall the drain plug washer. Plug with the washer. That's what I wanted to mention, the washer. So as you can see, there's a little washer on here that you can either A, replace or reuse. I reuse mine because I'm cheap and I don't feel like going to the dealer to replace it every time. I just reuse it and I don't have any issues with leaks down here at all. I don't think this one is a crush washer. I think it's just a reusable washer. Let's move on to the oil filter. Dang it, you guys. I'm so sorry. I forgot to hit record. Really tight squeeze here. This guy. Use that lefty loosey, righty tighty. And there's a really cool phenomenon here. There's a little tip right here where once you start loosening this up, the oil kind of gravitates towards this point and drips down right there. Genius. Genius, genius, genius. I wish you guys could have seen it. Ooh, there's a lot of extra oil in there, so be careful of that, you guys. I'm so sorry I forgot to hit record. All right. Now the engine's nice and warm after I drove this thing home from work. Everything drains really fast. Oil filter. Make sure you remove the plastic covering so you don't damage any engine components. Make sure you get a little bit of oil and lube it. Get some of that dinosaur blood on here and lube it up. God, why would anyone want an electric car, man? You can have dinosaur blood in your engine. It's so cool. All right. Make sure you're good and tight. That is done and done. We can now get that giant fat pan of oil out of the way. you replace this cover. After everything is nice and tight, make sure that you do have it nice and tight. And then, hand start one of these guys. And then I use my electric ratchet and just go like that. All right, now that we're back up top, and we can begin to refill the oil. Take off your cap, funnel to mitigate messes. So we'll get this out of the way for now. And we're gonna go ahead and top it off. This thing's about 5.5 quarts according to the owner's manual, but make sure you double check your dipstick when you're done. Go ahead and start pouring your dino blood. Whoops. Dinosaurs. Yeah. Pouring the dinosaur blood into my engine. Synthetic dinosaur blood. 5W30. Synthetic dinosaur blood. Yum. All right, that's our 5 quarts. Let me go get one more. All right, we got our last half quart of dinosaur oil. Dinosaur blood, rather. Begin topping her off. All right. That's all good to go. Get this out of the way, set it aside. Grab our dipstick. Oh yeah, replace the oil cap. Don't forget to replace your oil cap, ladies and gentlemen. That is a bad thing. You don't want oil all over your engine. Insert your dipstick. That is some sparkly clean oil in there. Holy moly. And we are good. It is right where it needs to be. All right, shall we go start this pig up and do the oil change reset light for you real quick? Why not? Okay, so that was embarrassing. I can't do this one-handed, so do it like this. Hold the reset. Oil mileage reset. Hold it down until it goes away. Good to go. My other favorite thing about this car, come in here, maintenance. Okay, yeah, we know. Hold on. Maintenance, engine oil. I love this. Reset, absolutely reset it. Okay. And then, oil filter. This is so handy. Why more cars need this? This is a 2006 and it has this. That's amazing. Set it and forget it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this useful or helpful, make sure you like, comment, consider subscribing, all that crap. Probably not something I'm going to be doing on the channel too often, but what the heck? I'm out here doing it. Might as well just do a little bit extra, some sort of content for you guys. Why? Who cares? Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy, be well. See ya.